We just saw how to use one arithmetic operator in a Python expression. In this video, we're going to see multiple arithmetic operators in the same expression. So let's start off with something simple. Let's say we have 1 plus 2. Well, we can keep on adding numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 5 like this. There's no limit to how many operators we can have in a single expression. So let's go ahead and run that. So we get 15. Now, the operators, of course, don't have to be the same. So let's see something here. 5 times 10 plus 20 minus 90. So this will result in negative 20. Now, let's say we have this example right over here. I'm just going to copy and paste it. So in this example, let's go ahead and run that. We get 0. So here we have a plus operator, we have a floor division, we have exponentiation, and a subtraction. So in this particular example, the operations do not happen left to right like they did up here. They have a specific order. So there's always a specific order on how to execute the operations in Python. You have to know something called the operator precedence. Python has strict rules on which operations happen first. The official Python documentation lists this exact order of precedence in a table, and I placed a link over here. And if you click on that link, you'll be brought to this particular table right here, which has the operator precedence from highest to lowest. So these are actually all of the operators. This is many more that are covered in this particular module, but you can see some of ours over here, like the multiplication operator, division, floor division, modulus. Down here you have addition and subtraction. So what I have done is I've just gathered the operators that we will use in this module and some following modules and placed them in a table over here. So you can see of the ones that we are going to use, the exponentiation operator has the highest precedence. And then from this expression over here, we see that multiplication, division, floor division, modulus all have the next highest from the ones that we will use. Then come addition and subtraction. So if we take a look over here at this expression, and actually what we'll do here is we'll just step through the example like this in the notebook. So this is just code in the notebook. You can't execute this, just to show you how Python evaluates it. So it doesn't just go from left to right. It uses this operator precedence table. So the first thing that it does, it looks at this whole expression and it finds the operation that has the highest precedence. That's the exponentiation operator. So it does 7 to the power of 2. So that it completes that and returns the value of 49. So everything else stays the same. Next in the line of precedence is floor division. And so it will do this, 13 floor division 49. And that is 0. So that's what is over here. Now we have left with addition and subtraction. And they are on the same level of operator precedence. So when they are the same, then you do the one on the left first. Then you go left to right. So you do 10 plus 0, and that is 10. And then finally, there's only one operator left, that's subtraction. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So that is how it gets evaluated. You have to know this operator precedence table. After you've worked with Python for a bit, it should just come naturally. So that is, again, how we can use multiple arithmetic operators in the same expression.